Don't get too wild. I'm sitting here to get up. What you need? What you want? What you want? What you want? These ain't anybody. You know what it is?
Hello, hello, hello. Cartoon Club 6. Aquí estamos listos para todos, todos, todos. Chat, chat, chat. Drink, drink, drink. Everybody's welcome. Pool tables open. Music, dancing, chat, 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 chat. Club 6 is open Tuesdays through Sundays. Estamos abiertos de martes a domingo para todos. Todos están invitados. Everybody's invited. We have open pool tables. We have DJs on Fridays and Saturdays. Food for everybody on Sundays. Sunday, family day, game day. Everybody is invited.
So how does it be every night?
It's great. It's so much fun. Drinking, dancing. It's all family. It's all love. Todos están invitados y todos bienvenidos. Estamos aquí diario. Except Mondays.
Do people get on your nerves when you bartend?
Drink people always get on nerves.
How they get on your
We
nerves?
have security. Our bartenders are security, and they will keep your ass out. Every Packer game, we have a quinela, a pool for the Packers games. Mondays, Thursdays, and Sundays, there will be a Packer pool. $11 to get in, depending on how many tickets that we have. Everybody is welcome. Todos están bienvenidos a venir a ver los juegos de los Packers aquí. Tendremos comida. We'll have food. Three balls, side pocket. 14 balls, side pocket. Three balls, side pocket. See all these shots. One ball, side pocket. Puta madre.
All right.
15 ball, corner pocket.